Does this work? 100%. Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Deenat, and in today's video I'll be guiding you through the step-by-step processes of making your own organic hair growth booster oil using natural ingredients from your home. The ingredients for this DIY are black seed. It's rich in antioxidants and strengthening hair. Fenugreek seed, it prevents hair thinning and boost growth. We have neem powder, it fights dandruff and scalp infection. Moringa seed, it strengthens roots and adds shine. Rosemary, it stimulates hair follicles and hair loss. Bay leaf, we have hibiscus, we have cinnamon stick, we have cloves, and we also have pawpaw seed, which is optional. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. The oil for this DIY are olive oil, it deeply nourishes and softens hair. Castor oil, it boosts hair growth and thickness. Coconut oil, it prevents breakages and adds shine. Shea butter, it provides intense moisture and protects the hair. You'll also be needing a bowl and an empty container for this DIY. To prepare this, get a clean mixing bowl and add in your hibiscus, bay leaf, rosemary, moringa seed, neem powder, cloves, fenugreek seed, black seed, cinnamon stick, and pawpaw seed. That is if you are using it. Some people complain of itching, so they leave the pawpaw seed out. So if you know you are going to be using both the water and the oil, then you can go ahead and add the pawpaw seed to it. Use any measurement of your choice, because as you can see I'm making a small quantity, so I'm going to be using a small measurement. So if you're making a large quantity, you can increase it, but I'll be making a small amount of oil in this video. The next step is to go ahead and blend all the ingredients together until it's smooth. You can also pound it if you don't have a blender. So after blending it, make sure you check it out to ensure that there is no seed that is left out. So the next thing you're going to be doing is to bring out your empty container and pour the amount that you need. After blending, I figured that it's plenty, so I have to divide it into two and keep the rest to myself. So this is the one I'm going to be using. So after that, after pouring it in my container, I'm going to be adding the oil. I went ahead to add my olive oil, followed by my coconut oil. I make sure that I take small amount of oil because I don't want it to be too much. So followed by my coconut oil, then I went ahead and adding my castor oil. After adding my castor oil, I've not melted my shea butter, so I just cut out the quantity that I need and I put them inside. By this time I have already heated my water that I'll be using, so I'll go ahead and put the bottle inside the bowl. I'll cover it for some minutes and allow everything to ferment together. So after some minutes, this is what I have, guys. I'm going to be leaving this for at least 72 hours before sieving. You can also leave it like this and continue using it if you like it that way. Some people don't sieve. I don't sieve my own as well. Thank you for watching, guys. Please like and share with your friends. I will see you in the next one. Bye.